come and kick it with the family. You already know we were chilling in the back over at Afos Family's home. Where love and care and share this. So daily parenting, doing challenges, they live and they laugh. Spending family time and planning out their goals. The Afos Family will show you just how it goes. But wait, you can watch to see how they grow, because the adventure is live. You're in for surprise. So don't wait now. Go and click to subscribe.
Afos Family, how are you? I'm alright. Afos Family, how are you? We alright. Afos Family, hope you're doing alright. Afos Family, how are you? We alright. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell icon notification to get notified whenever we post a video from the Afos Family. Join Afos Family, join the gang, join the popping family. We always popping, always popping, always popping, You're coughing. They have not actually been feeling well. We are always popping here on what? On period. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued love and support. You guys are so amazing. We love you guys. You are amazing. Guess what? They are on half-term break and I am so happy. No more school run. Actually, for the next 2 weeks. So
and it's almost Christmas.
It's almost Christmas. They're on half-term holiday. Today, I actually have the intention. And yes, don't forget to do the usuals. We've got the queen here. Don't forget to do the usuals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay. Hey! I'm a superwoman. I'm a superwoman. I'm a superwoman. Hey, I'm a superwoman. Layla, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Jama, my leg is actually hurting.
Yeah, but I'm just stand up.
Thank you. So, Afos Family, I actually have the intention of getting a bicycle today. As he said, he got one for me, but I really I'm not waiting on that guy anymore. He said to me yesterday, he said, I'm gonna go and get it today. But today I asked him, he said, oh sorry, there are visitors coming to our house, blah blah blah. And then what guys, I'm gonna do
bicycle today.
Yeah, we'll actually go out now. I'm actually planning to do
I'm gonna my bicycle fix.
Yes, it's fixed. So the kids After Family, Layla has not been feeling well. For the past 2 days now, she's been having one crazy temperature and runny nose. The temperature is so unreal. I know. So honestly, it's just I've been so worried. I've been so scared because normally before when she have temperature, it's always maybe she's teething. But I've tried to check her gum. It's not really. Oh, sorry, Jamal. Even Jamal as well. Iman too has, yes, you can hear Jamal's coughing downstairs. Iman has been coughing. And
our family is coughing today.
Jamal said our family is coughing today. So they've been coughing and Nella has got running nose. And even I'm feeding her now.
Me too.
She tried to gag. And yes, someone has already advised me that as Layla done a gagging test, like a throat test or something. So I contacted my GP and said they will let me know if that they will try to book appointment for her to get that done, to get that checked and see if that's actually the problem. Honestly, you guys are just so amazing. I didn't know there's something like that they can actually try, test the throat to see what's going on, to see if everything is okay. But you guys are so amazing. That's why anything that I'm having that is troubling my mind, I know that I have loads of mothers here. I know that when I come to you guys we always come through.
Say hi.
If you don't say hi, there's no effort for you.
Now.
No effort euro for you.
We are saying hi. We will say hi. So hi.
Anyway, sorry, I'm gonna say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog. Amatu is coughing. So these are the kids' bicycle. So you gonna ride bicycle today?
No.
Imran, do you want to ride a bicycle today?
I want to ride my scooter.
Imran, do you want to ride a bicycle or scooter?
My bicycle.
Jamal, bicycle or scooter? You said bicycle, isn't it?
Scooter.
Jamal said the bike, bicycle. Ahmad, which one?
Scooter.
Okay, you take your scooter. I see his friends are coming with his wife and daughter. So what? Wait, I'm coming. Let me finish recording. So I'm gonna check Facebook now actually and see the bicycle I can get. So what I plan to do is if I see a used one, I'm gonna get that till I'm able to, like, you know, stand right and do it. And I'm gonna get from Toys Me Superstore. Actually, in fact, do you know what, boys? I'm going to go to this store. There is one store beside the lane that sells bicycles there for grown-ups. So I'm gonna go check the one I want. I will take you guys with me. Guys, you wanna go with me? Go and check the bicycle. Okay, you stay out. Hey, Jamal, Is it? Okay, Imran, do you wanna go with mommy?
You go. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do you wanna go with mommy? Queen of yoga, I think she's feeling sleepy. Wait, what's the time? She's actually meant to sleep, but now, okay, before we go, I'm gonna sort Queen of yoga out. I'm gonna do cooking. I don't know yet, but I know I'm gonna put you guys through. So our normal uploading time is on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Let me quickly feed Queen of Yoga. I'm going to get something ready for this. I don't know what is even wrong with my husband. He said his friend said to him yesterday that he's coming to our house. So how are you just telling me now? I'm actually meant to go out today to go and do pedicure, manicure, get my eyebrows done, and my leg, and massage. Yeah. Hey, sweetheart, I'm going to feed this one now, and I will catch up with you guys later. So Afos family, I just finished feeding her. I booked appointment with my GP, so they're calling us today. I booked the appointment yesterday, so they said there's no appointment, that the up doctor will call today. So my phone has been with me for like 247 because she said the receptionist said they will only call once, and I don't want to miss the call whatsoever. So yeah, I'm waiting for that call today. She's feeling sleepy.
Oh no.
Say hi to the vlog, Siobhan. Hi vloggy, granddad.
Hi vloggy.
Can you imagine? Robin, say hi. That's granddad.
Yeah.
That's Siobhan and Layla. And that's cutie Robin. She's our princess. Robin and Layla. That's Jamal. Jamal. Oh. And this is Ahmed. Oh. What will you say? Give Robin a hug. This one is always with attitude. Oh. And that one really wanna. She's so sweet.
Sorry.
I don't know. You have to find out on Christmas Day.
Okay, how can I help?
Basically, she's got temperature for quite a while now. We're going. Let me go and get my shoe. Ahmad is currently doing his lesson. I was gonna take Jamal. Imran, yeah, so Imran said he wanna go. We're gonna sneak out. He's in there. I really felt so bad, but anyway, when it finished, I'm gonna take him out tomorrow, inshallah. Or whenever I'm going out next, I'm gonna take Ahmad. So I won't take Imran and Jamal next time. I felt so bad, but I really want them to go out. Honestly, I really want them to go out today. We completely forgot about the lesson. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna get Layla medication because Toto already called, so they've sent him and Layla's medication to the pharmacy that we do use. See how everywhere is dark, like so dark. We're going out to do my eyebrows first. No, I'm not buying that again. We're going to get my eyebrows done, and yeah, look at Christmas settings. Everywhere is looking so beautiful. It's Christmas. Christmas is here. Look at this. One thing I love about abroad, when it comes to Christmas, they don't joke with it. So, and also you guys, I don't think I've ever made mention of him. Ah, so beautiful. Oh, so lovely. Someone is trying to impersonate me using my identity, all my names, to get credit cards from bank, to open account, to get loan. Where's the letter? The letter is here. So this one is Santander Bank. Someone has already opened account on my name, get credit card on my name, and different account and get loan on my name as well. I'm gonna tell you guys the story when I get home. But anyway, I'm gonna tell you the story when I get home. But I've been trying to send letters out just to sign that I'm not the one and all that. No, we're going this place first. So this one is from Santander. The person opened account in my name with Santander as well. So I'm taking this to the post office. We are at the post office now. Come on, Jamal, let's go. I just dropped my letter in there. Hold on to yourself, okay? I'm near to get my waxing done. I usually do this only once in a year. My face is kind of red. I think this happened anyway when you just finished making your eyebrows. Oh my god, Afos Family, I'm actually using my phone. The boys cannot even see. Yes, let's go this way. Like, I have to use my phone touchlight. Without the phone, see, the boys cannot see, so we have to use the phone. We're going to Tasty to buy jollof rice. I just hope the jollof rice come out so nice. This way, boys. We are in Tasty. Oh, there is queue. Oh my days, if you see the way people are actually like running for Jamal because he's coughing. And he did use face masks though. Come on, Imran. We went to get Leila's prescription at the pharmacy and there was actually a long queue. Come on, Imran. There was a long queue, and if you see the one woman, okay, do you know what? Let me just get on. Come on, I need to focus. Come on, Baba, see. Going on, we're going on. We had to rush home because of Jamal's lesson. So I got Leila's prescription here. And I've got my own monthly prescription here. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Yuppie. Oh my gosh, the temperature is still down. In fact, you know what? Let me give you your medication. They actually gave us antibiotic as well for her. Look at my eyebrows. Today I do it. You don't do the eyebrows very well. The redness is gone. I do my eyebrows maybe once in a year. I'm coming. I think the last time I had my eyebrow done was it not last year on my birthday or this year on my birthday? We didn't do anything for my birthday this year, but I think it was on my birthday this year. I hardly. So I just even finished eating his rice. He's going out with his friends tonight. This is the jollof rice. Sometimes when you eat tasty food, honestly, you want to swear for the person that cooked it. It's always tasting so weird. Hey, the boys are this cover. I buy the proper of not the jollof because their food, I don't know. Sometimes the recipe, man, it tastes so disgusting. Oh, I'm at Leila. Leila, say hi to the vlog. Hey, oh Lord have mercy. Are you sure you can carry it? Oh, what happened? Is she alright?
Yeah.
And as if he's getting ready, he's going out with his friend. He used to go out. He go clubbing sometimes, then go out with his friends sometimes. I'm gonna sort the kids out. Normally, before he goes out, you always sort the kids out. He leaves by 8:30 when every of them have finished eating and go to bed. So he knows that there's literally nothing for me to do. But I think he said he's going to 2 places. He's going to one birthday party that I want to go for just 30 minutes, and he's going to another one. So that's why he's leaving. He did not every part the boys today. He don't even get the kids ready today, oh Lord. I'm not going to take care of them myself. But anyway, I'm used to it. Say Leila. Say Leila. Le baton. Okay guys, you know what? I just remembered now. Do you know that when, oh my god, Jamal is really coughing. While we are actually at the salon, where I had my eyebrows done, and even when we went to get the prescription at pharmacy, they were literally running away from Jamal. Like, literally running away. Because Iman was coughing, but Iman cough is like every 5 minutes. But Jamal cough is like every now and then. And it was really bad. And because Jamal is asthmatic just like me, it was really, really bad. And the way, if Jamal is coughing, because he's asthmatic, he's always like worse than Ahmad and Imran. So they were literally running, like literally running for him. Leila, you need to get down. What's wrong with this girl? She acts like a boy. No, mama, down. Leila, listen. Get down.
No, so I get down. Up.
Yeah. Layla, you will sit in the naughty corner if you don't listen to me. No, it's not funny. It's not Iyapa. Yeah, get down. Ahmad, can you carry her for me? Iyapa. I don't know what's Iyapa.
Iyapa is a
This one clean the. Oh.
Iyapa is a
I've seen more than enough today. Ahmad, please come and carry this girl for me. Sorry.
This baby girl is so weak.
Hey, look at this guy.
In the toilet.
How can you be going? You not even take care. See how Leila is looking at you. How can you be going without taking care of the kids before you go?
Hey,
I've been taking care of my Layla for very long.
let me get a big tissue. And
Imagine.
there's still
Layla?
more water. But neither
Layla and Daddy.
water. Yeah. Okay. So
I'm sure she's gonna cry when you're going. Daddy's girl.
I'll see you later. Okay? I'm late for my meeting.
Mama, green egg. What are you doing in the meeting?
I want to talk business.
He's not going to meeting on you. He's going to have fun. Assisi, okay, where is the second place I see? Why are you sweating like this, man?
Don't party, mommy.
See, she's screaming to carry you to carry her.
From these germs, you're cleaning the house.
Imagine, they said they've been cleaning the house. I don't know. Look at the way he's doing.
Germs everywhere.
Oh, Minikun. Oh, Minikun. He said, get out.
Mommy.
Afos family, I have a better way to console Layla now. If Layla is crying, if you tell her sorry, if she did not answer, you know, I'm not going to get this camera. Because I know she's going to stop crying. Boys, let's go and have a shower.
Okay. 10 seconds. 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay, drink water. Give Imran water as well.
Okay.
Ahmad, what did you say you want Layla to do?
To sleep in hours. So we could give her a covering thing so later don't be scared.
Layla is not scared. So basically, you want Layla to sleep with you guys, huh?
We can put it anywhere in our room.
So you want me to put Layla's bed in your room?
After lunchtime.
Guys, read Fatia.
You still stay in the house.
Ahmad is super happy about going out with me tomorrow because as he literally said he cried when he finished his lesson, basically. So I promise to take him out tomorrow. Alright, boys, read Fatia for me. I'm going to feed this one. Normally I just feed Layla at night. I can't even remember the last time I fed Layla at night. But anyway, hey, no more school run. Hey, no more. Actually, no, not no more. No school run for the next 2 weeks. So don't let me be overexcited, yeah? Afos family. I just finished feeding her. She threw up. Oh. So this is an antibiotic that we went to get at the pharmacy today. She let her, this won't make you feel better, okay? Oh, mama. Good girl. Afos family, clap for Layla. Good girl. Come on, drink water. Kiss them. Good girl. Oh, at least you smile. I love you. Afos family. Look at the time. 1:37 a.m. This girl, she has a crazy temperature. In fact, I had to call her sister. Sister had to rush back home because she sleeps, then she keep coughing and crying. Her nose is blocked. And I remember the GP telling me this afternoon that I should just keep using the antibiotic for the next couple of days. That it doesn't necessarily mean it will work ASAP. That I should just wait till the next couple of days. But I'm actually thinking by tomorrow afternoon, if the temperature is still there, I'm actually going to take her to the hospital because I've given her Calpol as well. And In fact, she was crying and coughing badly. And I don't think I should back her because her temperature will rise more, isn't it? Family, good afternoon, guys. We got this one when me and the boys went out. See, their pencil and their sharpener, ruler, everything. Jama, move away, you are blocking the camera. Sorry. I got this one for them. This is where they will keep their pencil. Imran, who asked me to get these? Was it Jamal?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show Afos Family.
Can we put it in the room?
Oh, Mary. Yes, Jamal said he wanted to be in their room, so we are going to put it in their room.
And see it glows?
Yeah, off it, but I don't think it will be effective. Oh, yeah, it's still effective.
Oh, just close the curtains.
No, don't. Okay, close the curtains then. Ooh, so it's gonna glow so well at night. Can you turn on the light for me back, please? I need to do a lot of vacuum. Anyway, so yeah. What do you want to do? You want to draw? Ahmad, if you want to draw, don't take any paper from the printer.
Okay, I just put the books.
Yeah, you could draw on the book. And remember to put the pencil back when you finish using it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. You must have said I'm the best mommy ever.
You're the best mommy ever.
Thank
you.
you.
Cook every day and do the right thing.
He said I cook every day and do the right thing. Thank you. So Ahmad is not here. If he's here, he's gonna do it soon. So yeah, yes, Nila is actually feeling better. She's feeling sleepy. So Nila is much more better. Like she's doing so well, alhamdulillah. So guys, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to do the usuals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Other than that, it's bye from me now. I will see you next time. Peace. Bye.
Bye.
Before you go,
If you haven't subscribed to our channel,
make sure you subscribe.
turn on the bell icon notification to
Put 'em.
get notified
Whenever we post a video.